Okay. And applications of Zener diode, very, very important. See, this is the representation of Zener diode. So conventional diodes will have a triangle followed by a normal line, correct? But for Zener diode, that line will have, you will have an Z symbol with your diode. This is the Zener diode. Okay. Conventionally, a triangle followed by a line is a normal PN junction diode. But for Zener diode, you will have this symbol having an Z indicating it is a Zener diode. And you know that Zener diode is always operated under reverse bias only. Forward bias it is just like a PN junction diode. Forward bias already நம்மளுக்கு வேலையே கிடையாது. Only in reverse bias we need to, this diode is going to have an excellent breakdown voltage, right? So I'm going to use the Zener diode only in reverse bias condition. And I told you, once breakdown has happened, the Zener diode will act like a constant voltage source. So it will have a constant voltage will be constant voltage will be appearing across my Zener diode VZ. So what they say is, if some device can provide me a constant voltage, that device can be used as a voltage regulator. So whatever circuit is going to change, the device will be always giving me constant voltage only. So such devices are called as voltage regulator. Okay, so the reverse bias Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. So it provides a constant voltage across any load resistance, even if the input is varying. When input, how much ever it is going to vary, this output from a Zener diode, the output voltage is going to be constant. So the Zener diode is reverse bias, and as long as the input voltage does not fall below VZ. So you have to ensure that the breakdown voltage, the applied voltage should not go less than the breakdown voltage. So V in should not be less than VZ. Once V in is less than VZ, then the breakdown will not happen, and Zener diode will have a varying voltage. You have to ensure that Zener diode is going to be operated only at region above the breakdown voltage. So first thing is, for the Zener diode to be used as an voltage regulator, you have to apply input voltage, which should be always greater than VZ. At no point V in should be less than VZ, which will make your device go below the breakdown voltage region. So only when breakdown voltage is maintained, the diode will have a constant voltage across it, and whatever load you connect, that load will also have a constant voltage across it. So ensure that V in is always greater than VZ. At no point don't let V in to go below VZ, because when V in goes below VZ, breakdown will not happen, and the Zener diode will not be working as a constant voltage